Here's where things get futuristic. The A7V made debut AI-driven autofocus that goes beyond face and eye detection, recognizes entire subjects, predicts movement, suggests better compositions. Imagine a camera that not only locks onto your subject, but helps you shoot like a pro. Video features that filmmakers will love for videographers, the A7V could be a dream toward 4K at up to 120 FPS with full sensor readout and no crop improved heat management for longer recording sessions, perfect for wedding, filmmakers, YouTubers, and content creators working on extended projects. Next-level stabilization reports suggest 6 or 7 stops of in-body image stabilization, IBIS, handheld shooting in low-light, smooth walking shots without a gimbal, ideal for travel vloggers and documentary creators who prefer minimal gear. Release date and expectations. While fans hoped for an early 2025 launch, new reports suggest a delay to late 2025 or early 2026. Why? Sony wants to ensure these ambitious features, AI autofocus, stacked sensors, thermal redesigns, are rock solid before release. Pricing that turns heads. The Sony A7V is expected to be priced around $3,000 USD. Yes, it's premium, but considering 40 MP. Sensor stacked design 20 FPS burst AI autofocus 4K 120 FPS video next gen EVF top tier stabilization. It's incredible value, offering flagship level performance at half the cost of the Sony A1. Why this matters for the camera industry. If Sony delivers on these leaks, the A7V will blur the line between mainstream and flagship cameras. It will push Canon to improve the R-series Nikon, to evolve the Z-series Fujifilm and Panasonic, to rethink hybrid strategies for creators. This means accelerated innovation across the board. Final thoughts. So there you have it. The most exciting leaks and rumors surrounding the upcoming Sony A7V. If even part of this is true, we're looking at a camera that could redefine the mirrorless market. Sony seems determined to push the boundaries of what's possible in both photography and filmmaking, and as creators, that's something to celebrate.